Hello all, welcome to session 35 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I am going to practically show you how Selectors Hub supports nested shadow DOM. So let's get started. First of all, let's open this Eclipse IDE where sample Selenium automation code is already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser, and for opening this application URL in the browser like this. Okay. Once the application URL is opened in the browser, I would like to write the automation code which will enter the username into this username text field. For that, guys, we need to locate this username text box field. For that, I'll right click here, select the inspect option, and I'll go to the SelectorsHub functionality, which will auto generate the locators for this text box field. But if you clearly observe here, guys, this username text box field is inside the shadow DOM. You cannot directly locate this username field, okay, because it is there inside the shadow DOM. Not only a single shadow DOM, guys, as you can see the HTML code here, this particular username field is inside a shadow DOM, which is again inside another shadow DOM, which is again inside another shadow DOM, guys. Okay, it's a nested shadow DOM. For that, lot of code need to be written, guys. Okay, for such kind of UI element which is there inside a nested shadow DOM, lot of code need to be written. But SelectorsHub makes our job easy by auto generating this code for us. Okay, you don't have to write any code in this matter. Just copy this code from the SelectorsHub, go to the Eclipse IDE where the Selenium automation code is there and paste it. Okay, simply paste it, guys. You don't have to do anything, and import these statements to resolve the errors. Okay, so here by import, any other things left? Yeah, import this JavaScript executor. Everything is done, guys. So now this is the field, guys. This is the username field. All this code you don't have to write because SelectorsHub is saving a lot of time for you, right? By auto generating all this code, because this particular username text field is inside the nested shadow DOM, for which we have to write all this code. You don't have to remember all these things. Simply copy paste the code from SelectorsHub and simply say dot send keys here, and whatever the username you want to type, just provide that. Okay. Now save this code and run this code. Okay, right click, run as Java application. Simply run this code. You see it will work now. So let's see whether the username is being entered into the username text field or not. Let's see. You see the username got entered into the username text field. So hope guys you understood how SelectorsHub supports the nested shadow DOM. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.